Guys, I'm back again and we are still doing linear sequence and series. Alright, quick recap I'll do this in every section that we do on linear equation. To remind you guys that we have a standard equation which is Tn is equals to an plus b, of which a is our first difference, n is the number of terms, b is the constant, and Tn is the nth term. Alright, and to find a is equals to T2 minus T1, which is equals to T3 minus T2. And also, with linear sequence and series, we must always make sure that our first difference is the same. So this answer here must be the same as that answer here, so that it can be a linear equation. Alright, and also to find the next term, let's say we need to find T5, then T5 is equals to the previous term, which is T4 plus A, of which if I have to write it in words, it means term is equals to previous term plus difference, first difference, which is equals to A. Alright, so example is this, T5 is equals to T4 plus A. A is our first difference. Alright, let's do 2 questions on this one to understand more. Okay. So the question says we must find the next two terms. And the second question says we must multiply. The next question says you must find. Sorry guys. This one says you must find next two terms, and this one you must find Tn, and then third one says you must find the answer T33 multiplied by T40. Alright, so the expression that we are given is equals to 34, which is T1, T2, T3, T4 is what we're looking for, and T5. So the expression that we have is 34, it's 22, it's 10. Alright, so our A is equals to T2 minus T1 is equals to T3 minus T2, of which the answer here is 22 minus 34 is equals to 10 minus 22, of which 22 minus 34 is equals to negative 12. The same thing with that, it's negative 12. Right, so this is a linear equation and the first difference is equals to negative 12. So to get the next two term, which is T4, it's equals to T3 plus A, which is the difference, which T3 is equals to 10 plus A, which is negative 12. This gives negative 2. 10 minus 12 is equals to negative 2. So our T5 is equals to T4 plus A, which is negative 2 minus 12, which gives negative 14. Right, so the first two terms here is equals to negative 2 and negative 14. Negative 2 and negative 14. Right, so we got that, guys. The second question says we must find Tn. So to find Tn is equals to An plus B, of which A we already have, it's negative 12n plus B. Right, so we substitute this one by T1, it's equals to 34, it's equals to negative 12, 1 plus B to get B, which is a constant. B is equals to 34 plus 12, which is equals to 46. Right, so our Tn is equals to negative 12n plus 46. Right, to see if the expression that we have is correct, we substitute T2 to get negative 12 into 2 plus 46, which this will give us negative 12 times 2 plus 46 will be 22, correct? 22, and T3 will be the same, multiplied by 3, 12 by 3, which will give us 10. So the equation that we got, it is correct. So the third question says we must find T33 multiplied by T40. Okay, so let me just erase this. Did you guys get this? This was to get A, we use equation T2 minus T1 is equals to T3 minus T2, of which we get negative 12. And with to find the T4 and T5, we use T4 is equals to the previous term, which is T3 plus 9 is equals to negative 2. The same thing with T5, previous term T4 plus 9 plus A, sorry, this is also A, it's not 9, it's A. Alright, of which is negative 2 minus 12, which is negative 14. Right, so I'm going to take this out so that I can calculate I can get T33 by T14. So T33, the expression that we have is negative 12 into 33 plus 46. Alright, and then T40, we have negative 12 into 40 plus 46. Right, so what we have here is negative 12 multiplied by 33 plus 46. So this is negative 350. And with this one here, it will be negative 12 multiplied by 40 plus 46, which will be negative 434. Negative 434. So the answer T33 multiplied by T40 is negative 350 multiplied by negative 434. Negative 434. So this one multiplied by negative 350 will give us positive 15,119,00, which is equals to 151,900. All right. So quick recap: we had this pattern 34, 22, 10, and we found the next two T4 and T4, which is negative 2 and negative 14. And to find our Tn is equals to an plus b. This is our standard equation, of which we already found a, which is negative 12 n plus b. And we substitute the first term T1 and 34. T1 is equals to 34, and instead of n we replace by 1 because it's the first term, and we got b is equals to 46. To prove if b is correct, we substitute T2 to get 22, T3 to get 10, of which we found out it is correct. And to get T33 and T multiplied by T40, we use the very same equation, and instead of n we replace by 33, and instead of n we replace by 40. We got negative 350, we got negative 434. We multiplied them together and we got that number. Alright guys, next question. Okay, this question here, we have an expression. This is T1, T2, T3, T3. We have an expression 5, 9, and 13. Okay, the first question, it says we must find Tn, and the second question says T4 multiplied by T6 divided by T78. Alright guys, from this question here, we only find Tn and T4 multiplied by T6 divided by T78. Oh, sorry, it's T7. It's T7 divided by T7. Alright, so from here we have 5, 9, and that. That means first we find the first A, which is equals to T2 minus T1, is equals to T3 minus T2. Which is equals to T2 is equals to 9 minus 5, it's equals to 13 minus 9. So this will be 4, and that will be 4 as well. So the first difference here is 4. This question doesn't say we must find the next two terms, so we just go straight to Tn. So to find Tn, standard equation an plus b, it's equals to 4n plus b, of which it's equals to Tn. We use the very first term, which is T1, it's equals to 5, it's equals to 4 into 1 plus b. And to get b, 5 minus 1 will give 1. Right? So to find out if the equation that we have is correct, so the equation that we have is Tm, it's equals to 4n plus 1. So substituting 1 there will give us 5. Substituting 2 there will be 4 by 2, 8 plus 1, which gives out 9. And substituting by 3 will be 4 by 3, 12 plus 1, which gives out 18. So it is correct. Okay, the next question says we must find T4 and T6 and T7. Alright, so let me create space then. At T4 is equals to 4 into 4 plus 1, of which this would be 16, would be 17. And our T6 would be 4 into 6 plus 1. So this will be 16 by 4 will be 24 plus 1, which will be 25. And our T7 will be 4 into 7 plus 1. So this will be 28 plus 1, which gives us 29. So to get that expression T4 multiplied by T6 divided by 7 will be 17 by 25 divided by 29, of which we'll get 17 multiplied by 25 divided by 29. Alright, now we have it's equals to 14,66. Alright, if we're to write into two decimals. Alright guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Math XYZ, so that you can get daily notification when we upload videos. Alright, we'll meet on our next session. Thank you.